This is a funny one. Fortnite beef, Apple beef, Epic beef, fully covered. And today, it's almost, I don't know if this is on purpose or if it's just a mistake, but Apple featured PUBG in the App Store on the very same day that it will terminate Epic's developer account. Now, I thought they couldn't terminate the developer account on this day because there was a pause button put on by the judge. But anyways, maybe this is the day they had planned to do it. Regardless, here they are promoting PUBG in a very prominent position right at the top of the App Store. The iconic Battle Royale game is getting a total makeover. And this is where the whole thing gets squirrely. They also tweeted it out from the App Store's Twitter account. A new era of PUBG Mobile is coming, featuring an overhaul of the Erangel map and a bold new look. Check out the exclusive sneak peek, blah, blah, blah. But let me tell you the craziest part, Will. Can I tell you the craziest part? PUBG's on the Unreal.
Yeah, so
PUBG's on the engine.
There's some conflict there.
How you gonna promote it on the day you plan to crush it?
Well, isn't Unreal, that lawsuit's put on hold?
It is, but isn't it? It's just funny because it was the Epic developer account they wanted to go after. And then, funny enough, they're like, yeah, we realize you can't play Fortnite, but there's this other Battle Royale game. There's some calculation there. But it goes to show you...
It's all connected.
Yeah, the vast consequences here. You're going to run out of games to promote, and it's all intertwined. And it's going to start hurting, I think. I think with the new season of Fortnite... Again, I got to tell you, I don't play Fortnite, but I'm at the baseball diamond last night, and all the kids are talking... It's all they talk about, Fortnite.
Yeah, the Nexus update.
The update, and Marvel and everything.
Yeah.
So, those kids, if they had iOS devices, they're dead, man. They can't... I mean, they're not dead, but you understand what I'm saying? It's a social thing. And it's going to catch up. Apple's going to see it, and I don't know what they're going to do, but it's going to catch up. And I understand Apple's got billions and trillions, and they don't have to do anything. But this is a long game for these companies are enormous, billions, trillions. It's a long game, and you don't want to start getting on the other side of that pace. You don't want to cede any ground because it starts to go in that direction. And Fortnite's a big deal. Whether it's a big deal to you personally, me personally, it's just a big deal. We all have to admit it.